I want to try this. Frame 22, right? Okay, frame 25. Okay, frame 25. Just for the ball COG, frame 25, spacebar, zoom in into my front, right? I think I want more distance because it feels kind of sluggish here. See? So what I can do, right? I can either the most effective thing to do is go to frame 25, grab my ball control COG, right? Just that. Pull a bit forward, pull down. Okay. See? Just here. I want to grab these two, ball control COG, translate X. I want to break the tangent. I want to just grab this guy right there. That. Let me see what it does. See how much difference that is? All from just moving it some more. Okay? All from just moving it down some more. Instead of taking away frames, I just move it down some more. See? Here, grab all the controllers, right? Like so. Then here we are, right? This is my demo file. Goes forward up to here. See? I chose this much because it just feels like it's a good amount of distance, right? Readable distance and good amount of frames, pages drawn out to reach here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See, only 12 frames. So here, 1. Okay, so let's do this. Select everything. Same thing. Here, middle mouse, click and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hit S. Let me count again. Don't worry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 frames. So all I did was just lock it down. Then spacebar, zoom out, zoom in, click outside, only grab the ball control COG. Okay. Oh, I need more frames. Let's just add another 10 frames, make it 60. Enter. Pull on that. Okay. Here, you'll notice that it dips down, right? Why is it doing that? Well, if you notice, this is just what it does, you know? All I gotta do is grab my COG from here to here, just move it forward to here-ish, you know? But it's dipping. See? Reason why is because of this. Translate. If you select it, there it is. Click it. That way you only see that. Grab this. Just grab this handle. Translate Y. Click on this. Flat. Bang. See? Simple as that. But you'll you also notice that it rotates. Let's see how much it rotates. Negative 1808. I came to all these numbers, right, just by experimenting, more rotation, less rotation. That's literally what I did. You get the feel of it. That's one of the core learning processes when you're learning to guesstimate and gauge how much it should spin, how much it should move, all of that. Right now I'm just giving you the shortcuts, right, the workflow, but that's the main learning part, is you learning to gauge distance and frames needed, and when and where. I'm showing you the when and where as well. Anyway, just grab the spin all. Here it is, see? Grab it like that. Hold shift, middle mouse, shift and left click and yank it down. See the value? Oops, I moved it. Undo that. Undo or hold shift and just click it over. See? Same thing. Hold shift, click it over. So it stays on this line. You don't want your keys to be all over the place, you know? One here, one there, one over there. That's how you blow up the animation. That's how it just becomes a novice animator. Anyway, it's here. I'm thinking I want to spin more. Hold shift, middle mouse, drag it down some more like that. See? Oops. Okay, still good. I'm just gonna grab my spin all again. Hold shift, middle mouse, drag it some more until I rotate to here. Something like that. Here, just grab this handle. It's broken, so I have control of that. Here, and I think I'll break it, because all I want to do is just manipulate my rotation. This is a spin all, rotate. Good. Let's go back, play it. Play is this, Alt and V. Seems like a lot. Maybe too much. Let me just check something. Oh, see? My ball COG. You see how it's doing this? I didn't catch that. So this is what's happening. It's going forward, and see how it's spinning out but not moving. See, this is because it plateaued the moving this way. See how it's eased into it too much, right? So I grab this handle over here and I just do this. See what it's doing here? Like that. Pull this one down like that. So here and here, this is why there's a bit of a transitional difference. Anyway, I'm gonna grab this guy right there. Check. This guy right here. Break the tangents. Grab this handle. Linear. Bang. Like that. This handle. And just make it flat for now. So let's play it. Okay, 1 second. Maybe it's a bit too aggressive of a rotation, right? If so, go to frame 49, zoom in, grab it, hold shift, middle mouse, and just kind of yank it up a bit, like that. Grab this, linear, grab this, handle only this part, click it again, linear. Go back in time. Okay. Finishing touch is it goes forward and it eases back. See? Do-do-do-doosh, and then comes back. So this to here is your overshoot. It's shot over, right? Because it failed to, break stronger, right? Do-do-doosh, and just the momentum and the weight rolling forward, and then it eases back. That. So this is the overshoot and this is the settle. Overshoot and settle. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frames. 6 frames or 6 drawings, and the distance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a good amount of padding for such a short distance. Okay? That's basically what I'm saying. That shows weight slowing down. So that's 6 frames. I grab everything and then middle mouse click and hold, middle mouse drag for 6 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let go of the middle mouse. There. And that is holding all the controllers. See? All the controllers. Zoom in. Grab the ball control, COG, right, press F, and then spacebar. I like to work from the, side profile views, and then pull back. And this is it. Okay, it eases out. This here okay. I'm gonna grab my spin all. Okay. Frame 55, zoom in 55, spin all here, and carefully just over here like that. Over here press F, select the frame. Okay. It's a bit fast though. Feels fast, like it's herky-jerky. See? Like forced. So I'm gonna grab all my keyframes or my controllers, right? And then what I think I'll do is I'm gonna click outside. I'm just gonna grab my ball control COG, just that. Spacebar, zoom in here. So this is here. Then I'm gonna not make it go pull back so much. So here, 55. squid back, or less of a pullback. Even less. See what I'm doing here? Alt V. And this here, I want to give some more frames. Here I'll put, I don't know, 70. Here, yank that. So I have some padding at the end. So I can kind of just let my eyes settle. See? It helps to kind of balance out my eyesight, or my eyes, and what it's looking at. I like that. Alright, that's it. I think that's it. Yeah, I mean, everything else is clean. Maybe this, ball control COG, translate X. Maybe I'll just kind of do that a bit. Oof. Well, actually, yeah, I'll just leave it like that. Slow it down a bit. It's more straight. Yeah. And then maybe spacebar, go up to here, zoom in. Maybe I'll just put forward a bit more. Or maybe grab this, do some of that. Let's try that. Oof, that's even worse. Undo. I'll just leave it like that. Alright, so yeah, that's how you do that. That's the end of the tutorial. Just, you save it, Control Shift S, and your name, blah 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 blah, and then if it's a final one, just put down final. Or you can also put down exercise final. Yeah, your name, ball rolling down ramp, exercise final, and save as. After you save it, just send the file and just dump it to your W drive into your designated folder for these series of ball animation exercises, and that's it. Alright, bye.